2008 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD Crew Cab LTZ with the Duramax diesel underneath the hood, so 6.6 liter Duramax diesel. That's paired up with the Allison automatic with overdrive transmission. Actual mile truck, just 67,819 on it at the moment, so low miler for a 2008. Never been driven in the winter. And glow plugs recently replaced. Let's take a look at the front grille. You'll see the chrome in the bumper. Headlights, pewter in color. Charcoal interior. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Check out the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Chevrolet wheels, Michelin radial tires. Laverne running boards have already been installed, as well as a fifth wheel plate and a spray and bed liner. And we're going to get back there in just a second. We'll also slip around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run, take a quick peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. And you can see there's really no major nicks, dings, or scratches down this passenger side. You may find an imperfection here or there. It's been driven, but overall, nice condition. Take a look at the leather seats up front. Of course, power seats. Both sides on this particular one. Center console. Seating area in the rear, also in very nice condition. There has been a DVD player added. For the rear seat passengers, there's also a soft roll-up tonneau cover. There you get a good look at the bed and the fifth wheel plate, spray and bed liner. It appears it does have an aftermarket exhaust on it. And technician noted, no catalytic converter, so be aware of that. A few other notes from the technician on this one. Fog lights in op. Brakes are 90% in the front, 70% in the rear. Drives out very well. Brake straights, no shakes. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're looking for a good pulling truck that's already set up, here you go. And you know, with the price of the new trucks, these older ones with the Duramax and Allison and not a ton of miles are a great value. And you can see the condition of this one, also nice shape. Driver's side really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches either. And if you like Chevy trucks, hey, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood on this before we start it. And then we'll take a quick peek underneath the hood with it running. And I'll slip around behind the truck so you can also hear it from back there. So the hood open, hood liner nice shape, engine bay clean and tidy on this one. Look at that. All right, let me do a quick startup. By the way, AC blows cold, and that's your 6.6 liter Duramax. Of course, I have the hood warning, hood open warning. There's your exact miles. 67,819. AM FM CD player, stereo is working.
July 11.80, 3 1/4 up, 3 1/4. In November,
Heated seats.
57 up 3 cents.
No service engine lights, anything like that on. There is an aftermarket step That folds down right there too for getting into the box. Take a quick peek underneath the hood and we'll wrap this up. ...2008 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD Crew Cab LTZ package with the Duramax, 67,819 miles. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 2008 Chevrolet Silverado. This is a club cab pickup truck, or crew cab if you will. Ready to do some work. Diesel power, with less than 70,000 miles currently on this truck. Nice comfortable bucket seats, power amenities all around. Our gauges are working great. The oil pressure showing over 60. Fuel gauge 3/4 of a tank. Tachometer working, speedometer working. The battery's charging over 14 volts. And the engine temperature is approaching a quarter of the way up the gauge. Easy to start, easy to drive. An automatic right here on the column. We do have a trailer button on the end for towing. Remote for DVDs, which is a flip down screen on the roof. Interior headliner. Well equipped truck, ready to do some work. Smooth braking. Looking good, kind of a pewter silver color. Corners well. Very easy to steer, easy to drive and comfortable, great visibility. Find all the pictures of this 2008 Chevy Silverado at uniqueclassiccars.com.